Finland's startup scene just unlocked a fresh milestone. On August 25, Helsinki Incubators kicked off Journeys, a 16-week adventure built to turn early ideas into real, fundable ventures. We dropped at the University of Helsinki Porthania building, where 19 selected teams in the AI and deep tech tracks met for the first time. And their very first hurdle, a 60-second pitch, 1 minute, in front of guest investors, alumni, students, and yes, our cameras.
AI is going to solve problems related to prolonged seating time among office-based workers.
And we're building AI agents to help data team save time on manual data discovery tasks.
Hybrid is an AI bot which integrates with your messengers like Slack and Microsoft Teams, etc., to provide you instant and also accurate information and answers you.
But what is missing? They need the growth engine to go from local to global.
Did you know that the Finnish government publishes an average 3 to 4 new regulatory projects every workday?
Everyone at some point has said, damn it, I'm getting old. We want to reverse that in Porthania.
Hi everyone, I'm Ines, I'm the co-founder of Loon. We are building a SaaS for the satellite industry.
We are an international team that is trying to tackle a vicious problem of mid-cap companies facing liquidity stress.
Hello, there's a lot of great new technologies developed in the universities for improved sustainability. But unfortunately, many of these never leave the lab because of the unfavorable economics.
In technology, we identify the problem, and we will solve it by integrating an AI into Vilma's app.
Licensing music is really difficult. Musicians rarely or even at all make money from AI generated music. So our idea is to create a distribution service that is basically an API that would allow app developers as well as music consumers and musicians to basically be able to work together.
So we are DataTrack, and we are trying to create like a platform that is for like coding or practical way of real practice. So educational from like a different view, like point of view, into a practical way.
And our solution is related to wheel creation. From our research, we know that over 60% of people die without creating a wheel, even though many people want to create.
We would like to introduce B2Beats.app, our AI-powered smart platform, which helps you to succeed in sales negotiations.
Our Oxygen is an AI-born bioinformatics platform that will eliminate all this outsourcing.
We've built Hedonist for the moment your old system stops working. It helps you discover on how you operate, not only mentally but emotionally and behaviorally.
So to start this journey, just the journey as an entrepreneur, you have to really understand what are the problems and what are the solutions and how you are matching them. And of course, to do a pitch, it's not easy, but it's probably the first opportunity and maybe the unique opportunity that you will find to get investors or get new customers. So getting a very good pitch, it's one thing that you cannot miss.
Then, shoes on the crosswalk, everyone headed over Huone, the conference space across the street, where networking took over. The room filled up with the year's full cohort, including teams in sustainability and social impact.
Well, we really hope to see somebody going to the market, finding first clients and customers to seek and further validate the actual project they are driving.
Journeys is a 4-month program designed for early-stage founders working on society's wicked problems. It bends an incubator foundation with an accelerator's momentum, mentor-driven, global-minded, execution-focused. First come a 1-month bootcamp to refine your vision and build the basics. After that, you dive into a specialized track tailored to your venture, AI and deep tech, sustainability, or social impact.
I think it will bring new insights on how we should approach developing the business and validating that there is a business case. And I think we would be
much readier for starting the company.
By graduation, every team is expected to live with a clearly defined problem and a compelling value proposition, a polished pitch deck for sales and funding events, and an actionable go-to-market plan.
As we were working in the pre-incubators program, the aim here is to actually make the product real, start to selling it, and start to validate it and have our first MVP during the next weeks. Commercially, we want to start locally selling the product, so we want to rule actually the Nordic market first.
We will be following every step. See you on the journey.